Lack of available housing and affordability are topics currently top of mind for Annapolis residents and those running for office. It's Friday, September 5th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. While housing availability and cost concerns are not new for candidate platforms to get elected, housing is truly something that impacts the local ecosystem, from attracting and retaining workers, business viability, taxes for services in schools, safety, quality of life, physical and mental health, and keeping current residents and retirees from fleeing the state for more affordable areas. Anne Arundel County just implemented the Housing Attainability Act, Bill 72-24, effective July 25th, 2025, to address the county's housing affordability crisis. Similar to the City of Annapolis's existing Moderately Priced Dwelling Unit Program, MPDU, the county's new initiative provides for inclusionary zoning mandates that new residential developments with 10 or more units must include a certain percentage of MPDUs. Rentals must set aside 15% of the total units as MPDUs for households earning at or below 75% of the area median income. The City of Annapolis is in the process of comprehensive rezoning for the Tyler Avenue corridor to revitalize, improve street safety, adding diverse housing options, including affordable and multifamily units, and creating a more walkable, connected neighborhood. The City Council is actively seeking community input as they draft new zoning recommendations. This is a multi-year project, so listeners can expect to hear more about it as it progresses from the planning phase into construction. I'll put the link somewhere so that Annapolitans can voice their thoughts. While Annapolis is still struggling with inventory despite it being double what it was last year, prices continue trending upwards and starter homes remain underrepresented. A Maryland starter home price is $339,150, but only 7 units of the 218 Annapolis homes listed for sale would qualify. This report, homes available for sale rose 8.5% to 218 units at a median $707,500. 21 homes are coming soon. 24 homes went under contract in 8 days with a median list price of $487,000. 32 homes sold for 97.5% list to sold ratio in 21 days with a median sales price of $672,000. 12 homes sold in zip code 21401 at a median $786,500 sales price in 20 days. 12 homes sold in zip code 21403 at a median sold price of $658,750 in 59 days. 8 homes sold in zip code 21409 at a median $542,500 in 11 days. There are 50 homes for lease at $3,050 median dollars per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, September 5th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.